Today I'm on the campus, the engineering campus at the University of Michigan, my alma mater. I had a lot of fun here, did a lot of cool things, was really involved. I know this blog is meant for college students, so I hope that I'm able to add stuff to your college experience from the perspective of someone who's now out of college and been working for a few years. One summer, for one of the freshman orientation kind of get to know the campus events that was going on, we took an old concrete canoe and gave rides in the fountain from end to end. An interesting side story was that to get the concrete canoe there from where it was being stored on the other side of campus, we actually tied it to the top of a friend's car and drove it down the street with one person standing on the tailgate holding it, hoping that it wouldn't fall out. Now I'm in the structures lab in the civil engineering building. A lot of tours come through and people falsely tell them that they test earthquakes here by shaking the floor. That's absolutely not the case. With these giant concrete walls, it would be a disaster to try and get all that mass moving. Instead, they just very carefully use actuators to slowly push on members in ways that they might see force in an earthquake type event. The theater behind me is a relatively new addition to the engineering campus. This building was actually designed by the company that I work for. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to do any of the work on it myself. I'm inside the Arthur Miller Theater in the main lobby. The architect has done some really neat things incorporating structure with the architecture. The main back wall of the theater, apparently, is a structural concrete shear wall that's providing lateral support for the building. The stairs are also exposed steel, and you can even see hangers extending up to the ceiling that are supporting parts of the landing. So it's a really interesting marriage between structural and architectural elements.